Let's see how tracking payment dues with Zoho Calendar extension works in Zoho Books. Quite often, as business owners, you will have several customers who owe you money and you will want to track the payment dues. Using this extension, you can easily track the overdue invoices in Zoho Books directly from Zoho Calendar. You will also receive an in-app notification in Zoho Calendar to remind you about the overdue invoices on the date, thereby ensuring that you don't miss any payments. In this video, we will cover the following topics. First, let's install the extension from Zoho Marketplace. Go to Zoho Marketplace and search Track Payment Dues with Zoho Calendar for Zoho Books in the search bar. In the page that follows, install the extension. Click Install at the top right corner. In the pop-up that appears, read and agree to the terms and conditions of your vendor and Zoho Marketplace and click Install. Select the organization for which you would like to install the extension. Then, read and agree to the terms and conditions and click Next. Now, you will need to authorize the Zoho Calendar and Zoho Finance track payment dues with Zoho Calendar connections. To authorize the Zoho Calendar connection, hover the cursor over Zoho Calendar and click Connect. Go ahead and click Connect again. Zoho Flow requires access to fetch the necessary data from the app. So, click Connect to continue. On the following page, click Accept. To authorize the Zoho Finance track payment dues with Zoho Calendar connection, hover the cursor over Zoho Finance track payment dues with Zoho Calendar and click Connect. Go ahead and click Connect again. Zoho Flow requires access to fetch the necessary data from the app, so click Accept to continue. Then click Next. In the following page, select the calendar in which you want to track the overdue payments and click Install Extension. That's it. You have successfully installed the Track Payment Dues with Zoho Calendar extension in your organization. Once the extension is installed, Zoho Books will automatically sync all the sent and overdue invoices that you create from the installation date with Zoho Calendar and continue to sync till the end of the year. Note that on each date, only the first 250 invoices will be synced. For the purpose of this video, let's create an invoice in Zoho Books with sent status. Now, go to Zoho Calendar. In the Calendar tab, select the calendar you chose to track the payment dues when installing the extension. The invoice that we created in Zoho Books with a sent status will be reflected on the date when the payment is due. The invoice status will be unpaid in Zoho Calendar. On clicking the status, you can view the invoice details, customers for whom each invoice was created, the amount of each invoice, and the consolidated amount. Once you record the payment for the customer, the status will be changed to paid in Zoho Calendar. And it will be reflected on the date consecutive to the due date. On each due date, you will receive a notification in Zoho Calendar at 9 a.m. to remind you about the invoices overdue for the day. If at any point you wish to uninstall the extension, go to Settings and select Marketplace under Integrations and Marketplace. Click Installed Extension next to all extensions. Click View Details below the Track Payment Dues with Zoho Calendar extension card. Then, click Uninstall at the top right corner. Once uninstalled, you will no longer be able to track the payment dues in Zoho Calendar. However, you will get in-app notification regarding payments for the invoices that have already been synced with Zoho Calendar. And that's a wrap for our video. Thanks for watching.